In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the super resolution feature in Photoshop, a fantastic tool for enhancing the quality of your images by increasing their resolution without sacrificing detail. As you may know, Adobe Photoshop is an industry standard software for photographers and graphic designers, and its super resolution feature can truly make a difference in your projects. To start, make sure you have an image open in Photoshop that you'd like to improve using this powerful feature. Once your image is open, we'll first need to access the preferences to ensure everything is set up correctly. Head up to the top of your screen and click on Edit. From there, navigate down and select Preferences. This will open a submenu where you should choose Camera Raw. Camera Raw is a plugin in Photoshop used for processing raw images and allows you greater control over your photo editing. Now, with the Camera Raw dialog open, click on File Handling. Within the preferences, we need to adjust a couple of options here to make sure your images are opened properly. Set both JPEG and TIFF files to automatically open all supported. What this does is ensure that any files you work with are compatible with all the special editing features Photoshop offers, like super resolution. Once you've made these changes, click OK to apply them. You're now ready to expand your image's details with super resolution. Next, go ahead and open your selected image if it isn't open already. Once your image is ready and viewed in Camera Raw, you're ready to utilize the super resolution feature. Locate the image within the plugin, then right-click on it and choose Enhance. You'll notice an option labeled Super Resolution. This is the star feature we're focusing on. Super Resolution uses Adobe's Sensei AI technology to intelligently add more pixels, doubling the linear resolution of your photo and quadrupling the total number of pixels, providing you with incredible details and sharpness not capable by simple upscaling alone. After selecting super resolution, you can take some time to compare the enhanced version with the original by using the preview feature available. You'll often find that areas of your photo that were once pixelated or unclear now look much crisper and more detailed. Once satisfied with the preview, go ahead and click Enhance. Your enhanced image will be saved as a new DNG file, preserving the original file. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll find you can breathe new life into older, lower resolution images, making them perfect for printing, sharing, or further editing. Remember, as technology continues to evolve, at times it's worth revisiting old images to see what new tools like super resolution can do for them. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.